Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to opt out of certain ad topics on Facebook. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Ad Preferences. At the bottom of the screen you'll see Hide Ad Topics. Tap on that. Here they have some suggested topics. You can also add some other topics. Now I'll just select one of them and tap on Hide Permanently. And then go back. Now I want to suggest another topic. I'll just write a topic and tap Submit Suggestion. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.